Hey, ready for some fun? That's it, keep up! All right, let's go play! Yeah. Welcome to Brock's Horse Farm. We breed and train the finest horses in the state. Our horses are strong, healthy, and ready for any challenge. Welcome to Mark's Butcher, the biggest in the business. We source the highest quality meats for unmatched flavor. This is my wood empire. Every log is a piece of my business. These blocks, they're the foundation of my massive operation. Seamus, this looks incredible. Glad you like it, man. Let's go! Let's get wild! You love it? Kiss back!
And now you can't see me. Your order?
Wow, thank you. This looks amazing.
My pleasure. Now you can't see me.
Yes, we'll have the pasta.
Excellent choice. Here you are.
Thank you.
All right, time to show you how it's done. Not bad, right? Welcome to Stone Cold's Liquor Store. We have got the best stock out. Behold the power of my pack. These are the guardians of my domain. Welcome to my kennel. These are my champions, the strongest pack.